please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to open a 1985 Donruss. Actually, 2 packs of Donruss. See what kind of buried treasures I'll find. They come with these little cards. Some got a weird thing on them. There you go. Glenn, never heard of this guy. The backside, what it looks like. Moose has. Gary Word, never heard of him. I like the style. It's like simple. They try to something Donruss did their artwork. Oh, Hall of Famer. He's from Fresno, California. One person he died this year. Blvd Walker. One. There. Allen. Got Burns. Oh, got 20 Quinn. Milpitas. 20 Quinn. Diamond King. Tipper. Relics. So that's pretty much it. I don't see any rookies. Let's pack it all. Yeah, that's really. I get 20 Gwen, so I can't complain. One of my dear players, unfortunately, what happened to him. There's a good video of his son batting after he died. Everybody's cheering for him. Another second pack. Look like Lou Garrett. Wait a minute. Oh, George Bell, my favorite players. Too bad I didn't put, Mike Scott. Angels, he was a decent, he had like one good couple years. I remember this, no. John Morris, really. No, Marley. Oh, Bochy, first Hall of Famer manager. These pitchers are really. Oh, Joe Carter. That was a great second-year card. Ron Davis. Earl Hoshiser. Second-year card. Yeah, second years. Guy was during his career was on. He played 1 year for the Giants. Paul Allen. Alfredo Griffin got tons of his cards again. David, and the last one is Bob Brantley. Look at his stature. Well, let me know if you like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. And like and subscribe will help me with the channel, help it grow up. Something will grow into a beautiful butterfly. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.